Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sultan Technical. Today our topic is dropshipping guide. What is dropshipping and how does it work? What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method in which a business does not keep the products it sells in stock. When a dropshipping retailer sells a product, it purchases the item directly from a third party, a manufacturer, wholesaler, or another retailer that ships the product directly to a customer. So if your business adopts dropshipping, you act as a storefront that customers visit and order products from. Once they place an order, you charge the consumer and the dropshipper charges you. You never handle the actual products. How does dropshipping work? Dropshipping is a supply chain management method. If you recently opened a retail business or an online store, a supply chain is a network of suppliers, materials, manufacturers, and retailers involved in the creation and distribution of a product from production to customer delivery. These are the parties involved in dropshipping. Manufacturers create the products. They usually don't sell to the public. They sell in the bulk to wholesalers and retailers instead. Wholesalers Wholesalers buy products from manufacturers and then mark them up before selling them to retailers. Wholesalers usually stock products from a variety of manufacturers. Retailers sell products directly to the public at a markup. And here's how it works. The customer places an order with your business, the retailer. You alert the dropshipping partner, either the manufacturer or the wholesaler, who packages and ships the product to the customer. The dropshipping partner charges you, the retailer, for the service, and you charge the customer. Generally, the shorter the supply chain, the greater your profits will be because there are fewer parties taking a cut. A short supply chain is one where you deal directly with the manufacturer. The benefits of a drop shipping business. Drop shipping is a retail inventory management method that can help your business decrease risk, but there are other benefits as well. This order fulfillment method is popular for e-commerce businesses or other companies looking to mitigate inventory risk and increase business flexibility. It lowers the cost of starting and maintaining a business. Dropshipping drastically reduces the initial costs of starting an online business, since you don't have to invest in building inventory upfront, which can be cost prohibitive for new and small businesses. And because you don't have to deal with purchasing inventory or managing storage for that inventory, your overhead remains relatively low. It also means you are not stuck with products that will not sell, and you will not have to mark down these items and take a loss. Your location can be flexible. Dropshipping businesses can also be more nimble than businesses with more traditional structures. Because you don't have physical inventory, you can basically run your store from anywhere you find an internet connection. You can offer customers a wider selection of products. Since you don't have to invest in building your own inventory, you can stay on top of the trends and quickly add new products to your site. You can also quickly switch up your offerings without first having to order new items or clear out back stock. You don't have to manage inventory. A lack of inventory also means that you will not have to manage it. Managing inventory can be complicated and time consuming, although inventory management software can make the job much easier. Not having to watch stock, record, reorder it, and process it means that you and your employees have more bandwidth to work on other aspects of your business to help it grow. The challenges of dropshipping. Dropshipping can be beneficial for business owners, but there are drawbacks that might not bode well with your overall business strategy. Here are a few examples of why some businesses decide against dropshipping for their businesses. Reduce profit margin. As discussed above, the longer your supply chain, the lower your profits. Inventory issues. When you own inventory, it's easy to check stock levels, but when you get products from multiple suppliers who in turn are working with other retailers, it's more difficult to make sure that the products you need are readily available. Shipping complexities. If you are working with a number of suppliers, your shipping costs become quite complicated. Let's say that a customer orders two items, each from different suppliers, each with different shipping costs. You will need to determine how to charge the customer for shipping in a way that the customer won't feel overcharged. Lack of control over customer experience. By putting reliance on a drop shipping partner to get products to your customer, you are acting in good faith that they will deliver the orders on time and intact. If they don't come through on their end of the deal or deliver items late, broken, or not at all, it can result in bad reviews and loss of consumer trust that can negatively impact your company's customer service reputation. Issues with suppliers. It's imperative to have solid relationships based on trust and mutual respect with your suppliers. Suppliers are Suppliers are at the core of your business, so be selective about whom you partner with and never take those relationships for granted by paying them late or being difficult to work with. To build strong partnerships, it's important that you learn to manage your suppliers effectively in order to maximize dropshipping efficiency. How to select a dropshipping supplier. The third party you choose as a dropship supplier will determine your supply chain success, so you need to do your due diligence during the selection process. Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. Like the video. Thanks.